Hi friend, I hope all of you doing great. You can see that how much greenery here there. I am my mother house and I feel so relaxed and calm and composed because I feel some health issues. So that's why I taking long break for learning this language. But now I want to create video again. So if you are like my video, so please say like, share and subscribe. And you can see that greenery, how much greenery is there. So that's why I feel so calm and composed. I love village. And even my husband house also in village, but there is no like permission that I can go outside and I explore all thing like greenery and sunset, sunrise. So it is a main problem there, so I miss that. But now I am my mother house, so I am enjoying everything like greenery and wind and everything. So here I am discuss about that how to create English environment, and everyone discuss about that this topic. So my dear friend, it is a very easy because you don't have misconcept in your mind. You can learn anything easily because when you have your brain is totally clear about any topics, then you can gain knowledge very quick. It is a psychology. So if you are beginner, so it is a very easy that you can learn anything. And how can start, it is a main it is a main question that how can start to speak English if you don't have idea that I am totally beginner. I don't have any idea that how can I start speak English. So you can watch any English content only on 5 and 6 minutes, and after watching you try to speak loud that video your language. And after doing same thing on 15 and 20 days, you feel that you are able to think in English. On one time you are able to speak in English, then you can connect anyone through the YouTube, through the Skype, through the Zoom. You can make environment virtually because everything easy that time. But it again I am mentioned that it is a language, it is a take time because without taking time it is not possible that you can become fluent speaker. But after after taking some time you feel that even you are able to express your emotion. And second thing, that if you are villager, I also belong to village and I do many things learn through the YouTube. I cracked many exam, learn through the YouTube. So if you have fuel that you can learn this genre anything very easily. It is a depend what is your priority. If your priority is that you want to become fluent speaker, so you are definitely become fluent speaker. It is a depend totally on you that what you want your life. If you want to your life that you want to become fluent speaker, so you are definitely become fluent speaker because you can learn anything easily through the YouTube and through the many apps. So don't make excuse for yourself that how can learn anything. I belong to village, I don't have any. Even if you live in city, so you don't have environment because I think everyone not speak English here there like your neighbor and your friend. So it is a totally different on you that what you want to do in your life. If you want to become fluent speaker, then you can learn easily because one line always love. I love one line that if you are doing easy thing that time, so you are definitely face in your future hard time. So if you are doing hard thing that time, so in your future definitely become too easy. So it is a depend on you that what you want in your life. So what is the problem like in human nature that we are thinking more. If you are want to do something, so you we are thinking more, you are not taking action. If you want to do something in your life, so my dear friend, take action, because taking action, without taking action you can't achieve anything. But in human nature we are thinking about like, our dream. We are not taking any action, every time thinking about that it is, if it is it is happen in my life. So so I feel so grateful, I am happy. But it is not possible that everyone born with a silver spoon. So if you are not born with silver spoon, so you are doing hard work. If you are doing hard work, definitely you will achieve your goal. So Rika, so you listen more, you try to speak more, and if you don't have environment, so you will make environment virtual environment as. And second thing is become consistent. And if you are consistent, then then you can become fluent speaker, because it is a happen with me. I face lots of problem. It is, I don't know why in my life, if I want to achieve anything, so I face lots of problem in my life. It is happen everything, every phase in life, my even my education, even my kid, even every phase. But I tackle this problem. I take some gap, I take some rest, and I start to again, because my first priority is my health and my kid. So that's why I am taking some break, because it is something happened with my kid and with with my health. So what is what is a reason learning lots of thing. What are I am doing, learning lots of thing and lots of skill. So it is my main focus, that if my health and my kid, after that uh, I want to become fluent speaker. So that's why. Bye bye, take care. And you can see that lots of greenery. I hope all of you like that, lots of greenery, and you feel relaxed and composed. And what is the situation is weather in your side. And if someone watch my video who is a member of Skype app, so please add me, because some mobile issue, I left this group. But add I want to add this group again, because I love this group members. So someone watch my video who is a member to Skype group, so please add me this group. And if someone who want to connect with me and through the video call, so who is comment me comment box. And second thing, that I am beginner, I am not teacher, I am here share my experience. So I am totally, you can say that I am learning this language. But because I want to make a virtual environment, so that's why I create my video. If you are beginner, so definitely it is helpful for you and fruitful for you. And you can say that how, how is beautiful is there. Bye bye.